Shifting focus now to the national capital, Delhi, reporting the highest single-day spike in COVID cases. The state has reported as many as 10,774 fresh cases, with 48 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the state's active cases tally over 34,300. With the rising number of cases, there's also a rise in the number of containment zones that has been reported. The state now has 5,705 containment zones. This is coming in while speaking to India Today. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal ruled out the possibility of complete lockdown unless the medical infrastructure gets overburdened. The Delhi government has imposed several curbs, including restricting the number of people in gatherings like weddings, cutting down the operational capacity of theatres, restaurants, public transport to 50%, amidst many others. Tanushree is now joining us for the very latest. Tanushree, the same question I asked Mustafa goes on to you. While Kejriwal has ruled out the possibility of complete lockdown, he says only if the health infrastructure gets overburdened, he will take this particular decision. And hence, the big question arises is how is the health infrastructure in Delhi faring? Are the hospitals overburdened? Are there beds available? Because if the answer to that is that yes, it is being well managed, then perhaps there will be no lockdown in Delhi.
Well, Chetty, we have to understand that these are the same hospitals, these are the same health workers, the doctors who have been dealing with this pandemic from the last 1 year. So definitely, even if we talk about national capital, the hospitals and the health infrastructure is not well managed. It is very much overburdened, but is not as bad as the maximum city, which is Mumbai. And that is one of the reasons why Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been promising to the people that there is going to be no complete lockdown in the city as far as COVID-19 situation goes. Yes, the restrictions on theatres, public restaurants, public places are going to be more stricter, more stringent. In the coming days, we are going to see more, curbs as far as the outing is concerned. But as of now, according to the Delhi Chief Minister, even if the increase in cases is faster than what we witnessed before in the first wave of COVID, there is not going to be any complete lockdown anytime soon, is what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, has exclusively told India Today. But yes, the rising number of COVID cases in Delhi definitely is a great concern for the entire system, and that's why basically the rules on the grounds are becoming more stricter. Yeah. Any person seen or caught without any mask are being fined immediately. Social distancing is something which people are really caring for. But again, the government is continuously asking the people to follow these rules on their own and not depend on any sort of lockdown. So for now, no lockdown in Delhi, but we might see stricter rules in the coming days. All
right, thanks, Tanushree, for getting us that report from the national capital. We'll keep coming back to you for more.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.